Brian, let's move to agriculture naman, no? Alam natin na we will always be an agricultural province, siguro in our lifetime at least, no? So, what can we do more, no, for our manlalon and mangalap, no? Especially dito po.
Based on the kinasarsalita mi na farmers kasi, majority of their issues is padanom, patubig. Kulang pa rin. Kumbaga meron na pero not enough. Ang gusto nila more padanom during the dry season ko. Number 2 is yung modernization pa ng gamit. Kasi may mga barangays kaming pinuntahan. Not enough nga gamit like tractor, cultivator, ganun ko. So hiraman, that's number 2. Number 3 yung training, sustainable training programs sa kanila kasi we know naman na pag lumaklakay da tumatanda, yung advancement ng training na pag-iiwanan. Sa mangalap naman yung mga fisher folks, yung cold storage facility, centralized cold storage facility sa coastal area, hindi sufficient yung gamit nila.
Actually, we're processing and building a fish storage, a cold storage, specifically for fish in Lawag. So, should have one in the near future. Andy, let's talk business. You started Vertex,
Yes,
correct? And of course, very successful electronics business. And obviously, as vice mayor, you can help more businesses, no? So sa tingin po ninyo, paano natin matutulungan ang ating mga negosyante sa Lawag City?
As a councilor ng City of Lawag ngayon, Gov, tikinan na yung daratang problem is location. Mabigyan lang sila ng mas maayos na lugar kung saan sila magbenta. Makatulong namin kanya day-to-day para mabigyan sila ng protection din, Gov, is kailangan talagang on legislation, Gov, kailangan gumawa ng batas para naman mas mapaayos pa yung proseso kung paano sila pupwesto yung mga small and medium enterprise, Gov.
Discuss na natin yung market kasi naalala ko a few years back na medyo naging controversial in terms of moving. Kayo, what's our shared plan or solution for the market po?
Ayusin talaga, repair and rehabilitation. No relocation, no demolition, only repair and rehab. No, i-relocate, hindi maganda kasi yan talaga yung center of economy.
Okay, let's move to healthcare. The market was one issue. Another issue was LCGH, no? But not only the hospital, but also holistically, no? Iba't ibang levels. How do you see mga easy wins siguro, no? In healthcare services and how we can improve them?
Just like the agriculture, we have to modernize yung gamit, then training, then services para maganda yung services ng health. Diyan sa south of the river.
And then we'll think of ano pa yung kailangan pa ba i-improve kasi kailangan makumpleto muna yung basic before we improve.
Do you think it's an issue of equipment as opposed to personnel? Or
number one is
medical?
Dr. Gold.
Doctor talaga,
Both na kulang.
I think may problem into salary grade, Gov, kaya hindi tayo makakuha ng mas maayos ng mga doktor. Walang takers because of talagang mas prepared din na maging private kung talagang hindi na siya nauugma. So we'll revisit also that when it comes to legislative kung how we will be compensating yung mga doctors din natin, Gov. Saka tutukan lang din, Gov, yung mga government support na nakukuha from the national government. Kasi mas maganda yung proseso ng mga government fund na pumapasok sa LCGH. Baka mas kumita yun, Gov.
Yeah.
Okay, now Handy, onto a lighter note. Alam siguro ng ating mga Lawagenyo that you are fond of seniors. Ano bang connection mo?
With the
Special
senior.
connection with our dual citizens.
Yes, Gov. Ako din kasi, Gov, is talagang pinalaki din po ako ng lola ko. Siguro maganda gumawa ng incentive program for mga senior citizen. Kaya inuna ko po yung talagang centenarian before, Gov. So, ages 100 plus years old na magkaroon sila ng incentive hanggang napababa ko yung age until 70 to 100 plus na meron na silang incentive to 1,000 hanggang 10,000 yung 70 years old to 99 years old, Gov. So, yun din, DJ Tumeti Dawate, kini Apo Mayor Brian, if in case, yung 60 to 69, Gov, na mabigyan din sila ng a little bit of incentive.